Now, the first trick is to make an easy schedule. This trick is one of the best tip that I can give you to remain motivated while you work out. Now, the reason why I say that you have to have an easy schedule is because when you are late from work, you had a busy day, you had an hectic schedule, and then you expect yourself to remain motivated and exercise for that day. It's difficult and becomes a kind of punishment for that day. You tend to be very tired, and then you believe that you have to work out, so you have to enjoy the process rather than just pushing yourself too much that it feels like a punishment. Similarly, some people who are not a morning person at all, they have their late shifts, they sleep very late at night, they tend to actually push themselves to make sure that they work out in the morning because they believe that working out in morning gives you the best result. But this is not the case. You will be able to do it for just 1 or 2 days, and then after 2 days you'll feel like giving up. So make a schedule that's easy for you, make a lifestyle that's easy and enjoyable, because the most important thing for consistency is that you enjoy the process. And if you actually force something onto yourself, the process will really become difficult. Make sure that in your schedule the exercise timing is such that you have fun at that time. It's that time of your day where you can just dedicate that 1 hour. It doesn't matter if it's morning or evening, you just have to be consistent and enjoy the process. Second important trick has to be having an amazing playlist of songs while you work out. This is with my experience, and research has also proved that music actually motivates you a lot. The songs that you like the most, it doesn't matter what kind of songs are they can be upbeat songs, they can be slow music, any kind of music that you like or prefer while you work out, just choose them, because that will motivate you every day to make sure to tune into that exercise process. So it's important to have that playlist that motivates you while you work out. It need not to be a motivation music, it can be random music. I love listening to Bollywood music while I work out, and it has nothing to do with the motivational music. It has to be the music that you really like, and it will make your workout process really amazing and fun to do. And every day you will be motivated that you have to dedicate that 1 hour listening to that music. That music can be a source of motivation. So yes, don't compromise on the choice of playlist, and make it a day before, so that every day you are ready to just exercise with that amazing music on. Now, one of the very common mistake that people do is check themselves every day after getting up or after doing their exercise. They check their weight, they measure their inches. I used to be that person, but this leads to a sense of demotivation. People get highly demotivated when they don't get to see the results they expect they're out to be. They have worked out a lot and still there are no results, so you tend to get demotivated. So don't check your results unless you have given like for 1 or 1.5 months to a particular workout schedule or a workout routine. Now, third trick to remain motivated is to click a post workout picture. I know it's kind of funny, but yes, it is one of the motivating factors that motivates me to work out every day. Not only me, many students of mine have told me that this post workout picture thing really motivates them to work out every day. Now, last but not the least, very important trick is to give 5 minutes to the inspiration itself. This is something that I really do before I have to do onto a rigorous intense workout session, because that really helps. You can tune in to watch any kind of motivational video, or even some people who you get inspired from. This actually helps and gives you a sense of motivation to work out for those next 40 to 50 minutes. Those 4 to 5 minutes that you give to your inspiration and motivation will actually help you to stay motivated for the next 50 minutes. So don't compromise on those 3-4 important minutes. So you can tune into any kind of motivational video, or the inspiration that you find, the body that you aspire for. You can watch anything, and everything is available on social medias today. So yes, watch it and get motivated to exercise. Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. So this was my 5 tips and tricks that really helps you get motivated to exercise every day. These were the tips and tricks that I follow that are really helpful to me in my weight loss journey and that have kept me motivated. This is through my experience and I hope that you will find it really very useful. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. I tried to make it as fun as possible and give you the most useful information as I can. I will see you with a new video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure that you follow the workout plan, eat healthy, eat clean, and yes, stay fit, stay happy. I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already, because I make healthy fitness challenges, many workout routines on my channel, and I look forward all of you to be there. So yes, hit the bell icon along with the subscribe button. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, take care of yourself. Bye.